Good pup.
Good morning, young Groms. Here we are again, back in the snow, putting the wetsuit in the car right now. We went snowstorm, Florida, South Beach, back to a snowstorm. All right, guys, we made it to the beach. The snow is coming down pretty hard, actually. It's super cold, just like the wind and everything. I was just talking to Tim, you know, planning quiver stuff, and here we go. I gotta finish getting into this wetsuit. All right, young Groms, we are in the suit. I'm pretty cold right now, not gonna lie. It's snowing, the wind is brutal, but I gotta get out there. There was actually a little wave. Such a cool feeling to be out here, like in the snow. I don't know if you can see it, but there's little snowflakes coming down. I'm out here by myself, and I'm just so stoked to be alive. We just did one session. The wind is coming up, like it's definitely pretty cold, but yeah, we're stoked to be out here. Gonna try the longboard now. I'm so cold. The north wind really picked up. The GoPro died. I don't know where the keys are. They're somewhere in the car. I don't know, but yeah. So stoked I got to take the mini Simmons out. I did not think it was going to be big enough at all. I thought it was just going to be like longboard sup only, but yeah, so stoked we got a mini Simmons session. And yeah, now it's time to look for the keys. Those like 5 seconds that you're outside or 1 minute that you're outside are like so miserable, but it's like really windy, really gnarly out. Got the heat blasting right now. And we're gonna head home right now.
Once again, if you're driving to Forest Hills,